Hello guys, my name is Jitendra Singh and welcome to Office Skills. So guys, in this video we will learn how to save our Excel file, and as you can see we have the Excel spreadsheet open in front of us. The name of this file is book1 Excel, which is written over here, book1 Excel. So we can save this file by three methods. The first is by accessing our quick access toolbar, which is present over here. So if I click on this save command over here, you can see this message has popped up in front of us. It is showing our file name over here, which is book1, and here we can see .xlsx, which is the extension of our file. So our file will be saved from the name of book1.xlsx, and underneath this option we have the choose a location option. So if I click on it, currently it is showing the OneDrive option here, and I can also choose to save this file in my laptop, and we can also save it anywhere we want. So I will click cancel here. So the second method guys is by accessing our keyboard. So if I click on Ctrl+S over here, you can see the same message has popped up. Keys are Ctrl+S, and the same message has popped up again. The third method guys is by clicking on file button over here, and as you can see there are various options present in front of us. And as we know that this is a blank workbook, we haven't done anything on it yet. So if I click on this save or save as button, they both will work as same. So if I click on this save button over here, as you can see this save as has opened, and these are the same options which we saw earlier. These are all the locations. So if I click on this browse here, it shows the name of the file book1, and underneath this option we have this save as type, which shows the format in which our file will be saved. So right now it is showing Excel workbook, and if I click on this file over here, these are the various formats in which we can save our file. So we can save our file as XML data, web page, or in PDF format. So we'll click cancel. I'll go back to our file here. So guys, this is it for this video. Please like this video and subscribe the channel.